السلام عليكم. اهلا بيكم حبايبي طلاب AS Edexcel. احنا ان شاء الله هناخد lesson 1 unit 1 which is atoms, elements and compounds. هناخد lesson 1E. طبعا انتوا عارفين ان unit 1 بتكلمني على formula, equations and amount of substance, and in this lesson we'll talk about atoms, elements and molecules. At the beginning we want to know what is meant by elements. Elements are chemically the simplest substance, so they cannot be broken down using chemical reactions. It's like helium, neon, argon, oxygen, whatever. One element cannot be broken down into simpler substance by chemical reaction. For example, neon is considered as an element because it only contains neon atoms. The symbol of neon is Ne, and it cannot be broken down into atoms of any other element, only neon. When we talk about atom is considered as the smallest part of an element that has the properties of that element. You know that atom is consist of nucleus, which made of protons, positively charged, and neutrons, which is neutral in charge. Electrons surround the nucleus, has one negative electrical charge, -1, and hardly any mass. Remember that proton has one positive charge, +1, and the mass of 1 unit, and the neutron has no electrical charge, and the mass also 1 unit. You have to memorize this table. Subatomic particles like proton, neutron, and electron, relative mass for each of them, and relative charge. For proton, relative mass 1 AMU, and relative charge +1. For neutron, relative mass also 1, and relative charge 0, neutral. For electron, relative mass 1/1840, which is negligible, while its charge is considered as -1. When we talk about molecule is considered as a particle made of 2 or more atoms bonded together. If a molecule contains atoms of the same element, this means molecule is considered as molecule of an element, like hydrogen molecule H2, oxygen molecule O2, N2 nitrogen, S8, it can be 8, it's okay, B4, molecule of an element. Remember that it's considered as an element because it only contains one type of atoms. But if a molecule contains atoms of 2 or more different elements, it results in molecule of a compound. It's like water molecule H2O, carbon dioxide CO2, carbon monoxide CO, nitrogen dioxide NO2 is considered as molecule of a compound. So compound is a substance containing atoms of different elements combined together, while ion is a species consisting of 1 or more atoms joined together. It may have positive or negative charge. Ion like sodium ion, Na positive, Cl ion. An ion with positive charge is called cation, an ion with negative charge is called anion. So let's summarize this. Element like copper, Cu, is considered as element because all the atoms are the same. Atom like helium atom, this is considered as atom of an element. Molecule, it's like bromine, Br2, this is a molecule of an element. The atoms are the same, as you can see. Compound like hydrogen bromide, this is a molecule of a compound because atoms are different, hydrogen and bromine. Ion, it's like carbonate CO3 -2. It contains 2 negative charge as shown. And remember, this is considered as polyatomic ion. Okay. Remember that element made up of single atom is called monoatomic. One example is helium, neon, any noble gas. Helium is used in weather balloons and its symbol is He. Elements and compounds made up of 2 atoms joined together are described as diatomic. Two main diatomic gases in our atmosphere is nitrogen gas 78% and oxygen almost 21%. Elements and compounds with molecules made up of several atoms joined together are described as polyatomic. Example for polyatomic molecules are phosphorus B4, as I told you, and methane. The same terms can be used for ions. Chloride is considered as monoatomic ion, hydroxide is considered as diatomic ion, sulfate SO4-2 is considered as polyatomic ion and contains 5 atoms. Let's solve two questions. Classify each of these samples and formally into atoms, molecules, or ions. Let's start with neon. Neon is considered as atom. Carbon dioxide, molecule. Hydrogen positive, ion. S8, molecule, it's not atom. And aluminium, ion. Next question. Which of these formulae represent elements, compounds, or neither elements nor compounds? Explain your answer. Bromine is considered as element, same type of atom. H2O2, compound. The same in case of water, compound also. O3, ozone, is considered as element. And calcium oxide is considered as compound. So we finished the first lesson. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and good luck and have a nice day.